Today we will be discussing how to incorporate Web 2.0 tools and social media into a learning environment. Information sharing, teaching, and learning process creates a culture for academic excellence enriching future. However, with the unprecedented growth in technology, the conventional academic environment has been transformed into a dynamic internet culture. The advent of internet services has initiated the transformation process to the second generation of web services. Web 2.0 tools and social media platforms are two types of internet-based advances that can directly assist in this transformation of classroom learning. Web 2.0 tools are free internet, web-based applications that create more student engagement. These digital platforms have multiple purposes and create a more interactive learning environment for students. Many of these websites offer more opportunities for communication and collaboration between students in and outside of the classroom. Social media is defined as interactive websites and/or applications that are focused on sharing one's ideas, thoughts, and information. These digital platforms offer a plethora of outlets for social networking and directly assist in individuals creating connections with one another. There are many reasons why the need for these web-based tools and applications are prevalent and a must. We have to transform education and make learning fun and relevant to the real world in which we live. The real world is changing at a rapid pace with a focus on technology, so it is imperative classrooms parallel this shift. Web 2.0 tools can transform learning to be more interactive and foster authentic collaboration, making learning more fun and engaging. These internet-based programs have the ability to extend the learning outside of the classroom and provide students with more chances to practice and learn 21st century learning skills. Social media's instant access to information allows students and teachers to receive and find knowledge at a much more rapid pace. Because the focus on these platforms is sharing one's ideas, opinions, and information, it can foster a culture of communication, improving these skills in students. Lastly, its engaging features have the ability to foster more active participation from students within the learning. When initially beginning to look into incorporating some of these web-based sites and platforms into one's learning environment, it is important that one is mentally prepared to embrace the shift of education into 21st century learning. It is important that learning environments begin to create cultures that value the use of technology, and the purpose of incorporation is to enhance the learning and not simply be used as a substitution. Choice of programs should be methodical and purposeful. Instead of focusing so much on what program or website you will use, spend more time on why and when a tool is needed. It is also important when you first introduce a new web-based program to set clear expectations and boundaries when it is in use and consistently remind students of the procedures and protocols in place. Lastly, whenever the internet is involved, it is vital that protecting student privacy remains at the forefront and is continuously checked and monitored. Some examples for immediate implementation of Web 2.0 tools are Google Drive, Padlet, and Flipgrid. Some examples of social media are blogs and Twitter. In the coming slides, we will briefly look at each web-based platform and how to utilize them in a learning environment. Google Drive is an online storage unit for digital files where individuals or collaborative groups are able to create files such as Word documents, presentation slideshows, spreadsheets, and forms. Within this internet platform, digital files can be created, stored, and organized for easy view and use. The sharing of file ability within this program directly supports simple collaboration among teachers as well as students. When students utilize this storage for their own academic files, a teacher is able to have access and editing rights to all folders and files for each individual in their learning environment. A simple way to get started with this web tool is to have students create subject-based folders inside their Google Drive where they can keep all their digital files organized throughout the year. Another easy implementation in the digital classroom is when having students work in collaborative groups for a specific project. All students can co-create and share these digital files and content directly through this platform, allowing all members to work on the assignment whenever they would like. The Web 2.0 tool Padlet is an interactive digital interface that creates a virtual bulletin board for members within a learning community. Participants, teachers and students, are able to create posts as well as comment to one another directly on the board for all to see. Participants can upload images, videos, voice recordings, text, and any digital file. Some ideas for utilization in the classroom is using it as a platform where students can showcase their completed work on specific assignments, using it as a math thinking board where students can post strategies and solutions to specific math questions, or use it as a question and/or reflection board for students. The final Web 2.0 tool is Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a video discussion message board where teachers are able to create a variety of specific boards with a specific question, task, or topic for students to post in regards to. This specific platform allows students to create short video responses where all participants can view all videos. Teachers are then able to provide feedback through comments and scores using a variety of rating skills. This web tool is a wonderful component in the classroom to be used to promote social-emotional learning, as well as a question or help board for students to ask questions to one another and/or the teacher. A social media platform that can be used in a learning environment is KidBlog. This social media platform, KidBlog, creates a secure blogging community specifically designed for elementary and middle school students. With teachers having complete control of all work created, students are able to write, publish, post, and participate through comment discussions all within this website. An idea for implementation in the classroom is students can create their own personalized blogs to showcase what they have learned or about a passion topic of their choosing. Other ideas include students writing a blog to reflect on their learning or creating an online discussion forum that can further classroom conversations beyond the classroom walls. The final social media platform is Twitter, a microblogging platform on the internet that can have many benefits for teachers, students, and parents when used within a learning environment. The social media outlet can provide instant access to an abundance of educational resources and knowledge when used correctly. Within Twitter, teachers could post classroom announcements and assignments for students and parents to see instantly, as well as students could ask questions within a classroom community, but also to a larger audience if needed for potential research purposes. The use of hashtags within this platform would assist teachers in monitoring student content and could keep the focus of the use on the learning at hand. In summary, some of the Web 2.0 tools and social media platforms looked at today to incorporate into a learning environment is Google Drive, Padlet, Flipgrid, blogs, and Twitter.